3, 4. I cannot hear. I see you, but I cannot hear.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright.
Okay, man, before scheduling up a boot camp, like tell me about your situation. Where are you right now? Where are you struggling? What do you want to learn? Tell all your life story of what happened. Tell everything.
Well, like I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone, working on myself, trying to be the best myself I can be, motivational stuff, Les Brown. And one of the problems I've always had is unless I'm drunk or I'm getting a lot of attention, that's when, I'm like comfortable talking to women. Not necessarily in this scenario. So if I can get out of my comfort zone, face my fear, whatever the hell I'm afraid of, I don't know. But
yeah.
It's just blood bubble. Hello?
Yeah. Do you hear me?
I'm sorry. One of my buddies was calling me.
Do you hear me?
He's stubborn.
Yeah. So unless you are drunk, when you get a lot of attention, it's more easier for you to approach. Yes.
Yeah, like I'm trying to be a comedian, and when I'm the center of attention, it's easy. Yeah, like being on stage, I still get a little nervous doing that, but I'm working on that. Confidence. It's all about confidence. And like, I think this is a good opportunity to get some critiquing. And nobody critiques this stuff, but like y'all, But if somebody could be like, hey, do this, do that, like get me out of my comfort zone, give me the motivation to get out of my comfort zone, and I know I can do it.
Yeah. If someone gets you out of your comfort zone and get you motivated, so you can do that approach, yes. But when you're alone, it's for you it's hard, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, you have to look at me.
Yeah, you don't hear me. Yes, that's why.
But yeah, like I don't know.
How old are you?
29 years young.
Did you have a relationship with a girl?
Yeah, that went a little rough. Yeah, towards the end, like first part of it was pretty good, and then.
Did you live together? Did you live together? No.
Almost married her.
Say again.
So she was my fiance. We didn't live together. She lived in Tennessee.
Okay.
I'm in Carolina.
You're in Charlotte, yes? Where are you? In Charlotte?
Near Charlotte.
Near Charlotte. Okay. Nice. So, okay. So, and you want to learn how to approach women, yeah? Okay. So you're not happy with your relationship with your fiance?
Oh, like what's my relationship with girls right now?
Yeah, you're not happy in that relationship?
Oh, the relationship? Actually, we've already broke it off. It's been like 6 months. Yeah, I was still talking to her kind of on and off, and it was just kind of like, I need to move on. So I need to get away from that. Yeah.
Okay.
I know I got the moxie. I got what it takes because all my girlfriends have been drop dead gorgeous. So I know I can do it. I just it's always to a mutual friend or 3 years or we used to go to school together, so they know me. But it was never been hey, I just met you at Barnes and Noble.
Yeah. Beautiful. So, did you approach women at all, on street or in shopping malls?
From time to time. Like I tend to hit on women like that. I know they're going to be in the same place.
Mm-hmm.
Like if they work at a gas station or a restaurant, they're a waitress or something.
Yeah, yeah.
That's typically what I hit on as waitresses or something. Or if they frequent the same bars I go to,
Yeah.
but that's usually my strategy. But I want to get away from that and like take advantage of the moment. Carpe diem, seize the day.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nice, nice. So you had that one girlfriend, like your fiance. Did you have other girls? Other girls?
Oh yeah, I've dated a handful. Like long term stuff. A
Yeah,
handful.
yeah,
Like,
more long term. Mm-hmm.
I can't remember them all.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah. So I don't remember like what you said, what you answered. Did you approach some women like on streets or in shopping malls or no? Like how many women in total you approached in total? Like
Oh,
being sober, you know, by yourself alone.
a few times.
Few.
Definitely like one time that I wound up going to a bar with one of them. That's when I was at the beach.
Okay. Okay.
That's was. And then,
So
like,
from boot camp, you would like just to get out of your comfort zone, get motivation, and just approach some woman. I mean, yes, like that's your expectations, yeah.
oh yeah, it's time for this karate kid to learn karate.
Okay, okay. So the thing is, you know, in Charlotte, we can do boot camp in June. In June 6th, June. June 8th in Charlotte, but in Seattle, Washington, I will see. Well, I will write you.
Okay.
In Charlotte, Charlotte, June 8th. I see. In Seattle, Washington.
That are a little
Because you know, it's like they book, you know, 2, 3, 4 months, you know, in advance. They book boot camps.
Okay.
So in Seattle, Washington, this is April 13. April 13. So that's the, you know, closest days for you to attend boot camp, you know. So even you know, if you're not happy with those days, so I can refund you money back, you know, or you can wait. Some guys they do, you know, I refund, for example, like $253. So I'm like a book, you know, they read that book, and after like couple months, you know, if they want a boot camp, you know, I put them on that date.
Okay.
So it's up to you, you know, if you have other options, maybe go somewhere else for a boot camp, so it's better for you fully, you know, refund. But if you thinking, you know, maybe in future to do, so it's good option to, I unlock you a book and I refund you $253, and then, you know, you see if you still need services, you do a boot camp on most dates, which I wrote, you know, and then you will pay $253 in cash when you will come in a boot camp.
Oh, yeah, I'm fine with the June dates. I'm in the Army. So yeah, usually the first weekend. Is that the first weekend of June?
Yeah, first week in June. June 8th is Friday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
All right. I'll have to, like, since that's pretty carved in stone. There's way, like, since it's 3 months away. I'll see if I can't, like, do some extra duty.
So you check a schedule, you know, and you can write me, you know. So.
But hey, you know, do right.
at least, you know, I recommend to read a book, you know, how to become an alpha man before boot camp. You know, it's good to read that. But, you know, let me know, you know, I can refund you, or I can refund you fully, like 300, or I can refund you $253, and then unlock a book, and then you will pay in cash, you know, on most dates when you will come to boot camp. Or you know, some other, you know, clients, they keep, you know, they invest, they keep that 300, and they wait a boot camp on most days. So it's up to you, you know, whatever you do.
Like I was on it, and so I already paid for it. I'll wait on
Yeah,
it.
you paid that. So what are you thinking to do? Like, what you will do?
I just want to wait. June's fine. It'll work.
Okay, cool, man. So
Different happens.
you like to read a book, or